everyone, thanks for watching. The BMW is ready for the dyno now, but unfortunately here in Melbourne everything is locked down, so that's not happening at the moment. But I've been doing a lot of small jobs, just getting things out of the way. But I want to say a big thank you to everyone. The channel's past 500 subscribers now, and thanks for watching, subscribing, making a comment. Really enjoy reading comments. I bought myself a new hoist for the workshop and we picked it up the other day. So I can unwrap my new hoist. Here it is.